To permanently remove your Facebook presence, delete your account. Remember that you won't be able to recover your profile, post, photos, or messages after deletion. So download your data beforehand. So, in order to do that, you need to first go ahead and open your Facebook application. You can also use your Facebook Lite application, log into your account, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. From the drop down menu, tap on Settings. Once you're in the settings, go ahead, open the Account Center page. In this page, you need to scroll down, tap on Personal Details, and then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on deactivation or deletion, and then you'll get two different options to deactivate your account, which is temporary, and delete your account, that is permanent. So as we are looking to delete our account, we are going to tap on this delete account option, tap on continue. Now you need to go ahead and enter your password to confirm your deletion. And once done, tap on continue and your account deletion will be now scheduled. Facebook waits 30 days before permanently deleting your account, and this gives you time to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. And after 30 days, your data is permanently removed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.